Play something.
I don't have my pick over here. That's the tuners.
Yeah.
Just change the tuners.
And those are.
There's the pegs. Just hold the strings. These are the strings.
She has a small head.
It does have a small head.
It's got a small head, huh, compared to Nola.
Good job.
Come on, play something. Come on. Just a little something. Tell Daddy to play something. You gonna play with him? Get your guitar?
Play your guitar.
Yeah, sit down by Dad. Play something with him.
Let's jam.
Let's jam. Yeah.
You rock.
You rock. Play the strings. There you go.
Come on, Dad.
You rock.
Come on, strum some strings with her.
Play the strings. Play the
Say your turn, Dad. There you go.
Play your strings.
You rock.
You rock. What's that do? It's playing in the background for you. Change the song.
Guitar challenge.
Play the ones that light up. Press on the ones that light up. Whenever it lights up, press